Nouns. Today we are going to do singular and plural noun. Noun which stands for one person, place or a thing are called singular noun. For example, a dog, a flower, a boy. Noun which stands for more than one person, animal, place or thing are called plural noun. Plural forms are in different ways. We generally add s to the end of the word to make them plural. For example, girl, girls, boy, boys, toy, toys, key, keys. If the noun ends in s, x, sh, ss, ch, o, z, we generally use es at the end of the word. For example, bus, buses, box, boxes, bush, bushes, glass, glasses, church, churches, potato, potatoes, bus, buses. So, the word that end with s, x, sh, ss, ch, o and z, we generally use es at the end of the word. Exceptional cases, some words are there which ends with o. Instead of putting es, only s is used to become plural. For example, piano, pianos, kilo, kilos. Rule number 2. If the noun which ends in I and there is a consonant before it, y is changed into ies. I am giving you one example. Cry. If the noun ends in y and there is a consonant before y, cry, r is consonant. If there is a consonant before y, then it is going to change into cries. It becomes cries. Here are some of the examples. Party, parties, baby, babies, story, stories, country, countries, army, armies, duty, duties, family, families, city, cities, sky, skies, enemy, enemies, enemy, enemies. If the noun ends in y and there is a consonant before y, then y is changed into ies. Rule number 3. If the noun ends in y and there is a vowel, o is vowel, a, e, I, o, u, all these are vowels. If the noun end with y and there is a vowel before y, then we have to add s. Then we have to add s to make it plural. Here are some of the examples. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Donkey, donkeys. Boy, boys. Play, plays. Day, days. Toy, toys. If the nouns end with y and there is a vowel before y, we add s to become plural. Rule number 4. Most of the nouns that ends with f or fe to become plural, f or fe is changed into ves. For example, wife, wives. Leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. Shelf, shelves. Wolf, wolves. Calf, calves. Half, halves. Thief, thieves. So, if the nouns end with f or fe, if it ends with f or fe to become plural, then fe and f is changed into ves. Rule number 5th. Irregular noun. They does not follow any rule. Some examples: man, men. Woman, women. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. So, these are irregular nouns that do not follow any. In exceptional case, if the noun ends in f or fe, the plural are formed by adding s, by only adding s. For example, safe, safes. Chief, chiefs. Roof, roofs. Proof, proofs. So, if the nouns end in f or fe, the plural are formed by only adding s. Some of the nouns in which the singular and plural remain same. For example, sheep, sheep. Fish, fish. Deer, deer. Spices, spices. Countable nouns never become plural. For example, water, water. Rice, rice. Hair, hair. Love, love. Tea, tea. Oil, oil. There is water in the bottle. Water is uncountable. Whether the water is more or less in the bottle, water will always remain water whether it is in singular or in plural. The plural form of the noun. The dashed leaf of the tree have dried up. The dashed leaf of the tree have dried up. If the noun ends N, F or FE. To become plural, F or FE is changed into VES. So the plural form of leaf is leaves. The dash mouse ate all the cheese in the tin. The dash mouse ate all the cheese in the tin. So mouse here is irregular noun that does not follow any rule. So the plural form of mouse is mice. It's mice. The dash roof of both the houses are damaged. The dash roof of both the houses are damaged. So roof here is an exceptional case in which if the nouns ends with F or FE, if it ends with F or FE, then to make it plural, we add only S. So roof become roofs. The dash deer are herbivorous animals. The dash deer are herbivorous animal. They are herbivorous animals. Okay, deer. In some nouns, the singular and plural always remain same. So the plural form of this is singular and we have to make it plural. So plural is also deer. Okay. In some of the nouns, the singular and the plural always remain same. The dash fairies were trapped by the witch. The dash fairy were trapped by the witch. If the word ends with Y and there is a consonant, R is consonant. If there is a consonant before Y, then we have to replace Y and Y is changed into IES. It becomes fairies. We have to find out the singular form of the nouns. All these are plural forms and we have to change into singular. Babies, baby. Army, armies, army. Children, child. Birds, bird. So I think all the concepts of singular and plural are cleared now.